The Tata Ace EV. Built for business, designed for daily loads, and made to keep your operations moving. But the real question is, how fast can it charge? Let's break it down. The Ace EV comes with a 21.3 kWh battery pack. Using a 3.6 kW AC charger, a full charge from 0 to 100% takes around 5 to 6 hours. That makes it ideal for overnight charging. Plug in after work and you are ready for the next day. Need a quicker top-up during the day? With a DC fast charger, you can go from 10 to 80% in around 105 minutes. Now, since this is a commercial vehicle, uptime matters. So choosing the right charger is important. For daily depot or home charging, the Aveo 3.6 kW is a perfect fit. It's available with app support Aveo 3.6 Plus. So you can monitor and control charging remotely. And if you prefer a simpler setup, you can also go for Aveo 3.6. So whether you are running local deliveries or daily business operations, a reliable 3.6 kW setup is all you need. Charge overnight, stay ready all day, and keep your business moving.